A compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of a gas or air by reducing its volume. Compressors are similar to pumps. Both increase the pressure on a fluid, and both can transport the fluid through pipe. Types of compressor: reciprocating compressor, rotary compressor, scroll compressor, screw compressor, centrifugal compressor. Reciprocating compressor. Reciprocating compressor use piston, driven by crankshaft. They can be driven by electricity or internal combustion engine. The reciprocating compressor, also classified as single-stage reciprocating compressor, double-stage reciprocating compressor, multi-stage reciprocating compressor. Note: reciprocating compressors, widely used in oil refineries, gas pipelines, chemical plants, natural gas processing plants, etc. Rotary compressor. These compressor does not have any piston or crankshaft. Instead, these compressor have vanes, screws, scrolls and other devices, which rotate and thus compress air and gases. Scroll compressor. A scroll compressor has one fixed scroll, which remains stationary, or other moving or orbiting scroll, that rotated through the use of scroll link. This results in the gas pushed to the center of two scroll, causing the reduction in volume of the air or gas. Note: scroll compressor is used for air conditioning purpose, used as a vacuum pump, and also in automobiles as a supercharger. Screw compressor. The screw compressor uses a pair of helical rotors, where it traps and compresses the air or gas as the rotor revolve in the cylinder. Centrifugal compressor. It is usually used in large capacity of compression system. In this compressor, the air and gas moved in circular motion, that known as centrifugal force. An impeller, which is disc with radial blade, spins rapidly inside the housing, causing the gas to gain velocity. Note: centrifugal compressor widely used in chemical plants, refineries, for gas injection applications, and in the transmission and storage of natural gas. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.